Hey guys, I got bored, so I thought I would do yet another reaction video. It's another video from Windchime Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover, called Very Windy Day Part 3. So, yeah, let's get started.
All right, it's still windy out, guys. I moved this chime here
I was just
just
about to,
so it
I was just about to ask about that because I was like, wait, I could have sworn it was hanging on one of the hooks before.
could that windsock could fly a little more freely and not bang into the chime.
Are you going to hang something else next to that windsock then, or something?
And it also blends well with this one.
True. Oh wow, I never really heard the similarities until now. That's crazy. There's the new one, JW Sonar Moonlight. I've been thinking about eventually getting a JW Sonar Chime myself. I'm just not yet sure which one. I guess just whatever I found on eBay that looks good.
Man, I freaking love this wind chime.
Yeah, I can't really say I blame you because I've never heard any other chime that sounds like this. There's really nothing else that even sounds similar to this except for a couple other JW Sonar chimes. But no other brand has topped this.
mean, I I was looking online to see if I could find any other wind chimes that are in the same key. And literally, like, it's the only one that sounds like this. It's very unique.
Yeah, I've never found anything else that sounds like this. It is very unique for sure.
And it sucks that it went out of business. I
Yeah, between them and Grace Note, I really wish they were still around.
swear, I can't stand that JW Stenard went out of business. I mean, like, I couldn't see them going bankrupt or something. They made too, they made like way too much good wind chimes to go out of business. I just don't understand, but
Grace Note made a lot of good chimes too, and yet they still went out of business. And apparently, from what I heard, it was because there was a lack of sales, which to me is just outrageous. Why were people not buying those chimes? It really doesn't make any sense. Especially since Grace Note chimes are not only made in the United States, but also because the prices on them weren't insane like Crimping Bells or Music of the Spears. They were reasonable.
whatever.
I just noticed the Bells of Paradise in the background. Oh my god, it's going nuts. Look at that. Damn. There's the dogs.
Do you
One of
guys
the
think the chimes of Neptune could fit right here?
uh, very debatable. I don't know. I feel that it would probably even if it wasn't too long, I have a feeling that there wouldn't really be enough room for it, and if the wind were to get really heavy, it would probably bash against that swing's arm there, and I don't. So I wouldn't recommend hanging it there. I don't. So
Like, if I put a nail here, like, could it fall? Could it go down in there? I don't know. It might be a while before I get one though, because I do want to get one that's a good quality.
yeah, good idea. Don't make the same mistake that I did. About a new conditional off of Amazon. Not a good idea at all.
Not the new crappy sounding one. So yeah, it might be a while before I get one because I don't know when one will be for sale. And I need a new chunk of Saturn too. As you can see, it's missing the whole middle, and I don't even know where it is now. It's been missing for years. Yeah, I haven't let you guys like that chime's never really ringing much when I'm recording, so I just figured I'd let you hear it. If the video randomly ends, it's because my girlfriend called me. She just texted me and said she's gonna call me in a minute, so yeah, that's why.
Hold up, you have a girlfriend? I almost got myself one, but plans ended up falling through. I'm not going to get into detail on that, though.
My hands are numb already. Like, that's how cold it is out here. I'm wondering if this will ever be over. I'm getting real tired of just seeing snow everywhere. I want to see the grass again.
Well, February just sucks in general. It's a very crappy month.
So if I get the other two Mozarts, I'll get probably put the medium there and the large there, and move those two somewhere else. And the reason I won't hang them in order is because if I put the medium there, like if I put small, medium, and large, it'll fall behind the grill and it won't bloat all that much. So yeah, the small has to hang in the middle. Ah, you gotta watch where you're playing.
That kind of reminds me of my dog because she always gets in. She's always in the worst spot at the worst possible time. I swear, one of these days, someone is going to trip over her. That's just how pets are. Pets can just annoy you more than anything else at times because I know both of mine really know how to get on people's nerves. Because my dog Nikki, she's always in the way, and then Checkers. Oh my God! Don't even get me started on Checkers. Checkers is just a little prick. Okay, he's just oh my God.
Ran into my leg.
Oh jeez.
Oh wow, that chime's going crazy out there. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I mean, I know it wasn't that long, but yeah. Bye.